The Proverbs chapter 17 verses 1 to 28 and chapter 18 verses 1 to 24. One better is a dry morsel with quietness than a house full of feasting with strife. To a servant who deals wisely will rule over a son who causes shame, and shall have a part in the inheritance among the brothers. 3. The refining pot is for silver, and the furnace for gold, but the Lord tests the hearts. For an evildoer heeds wicked lips, a liar gives ear to a mischievous tongue. 5. Whoever mocks the poor reproaches his maker. He who is glad at calamity shall not be unpunished. 6. Children's children are the crown of old men. The glory of children is their parents. 7. Excellent speech isn't fitting for a fool, much less do lying lips fit a prince. 8. A bribe is a precious stone in the eyes of him who gives it. Wherever he turns, he prospers. 9. He who covers an offense promotes love, but he who repeats a matter separates best friends. 10. A rebuke enters deeper into one who has understanding than 100 lashes into a fool. 11. An evil man seeks only rebellion. Therefore a cruel messenger shall be sent against him. 12. Let a bear robbed of her cubs meet a man, rather than a fool in his folly. 13. Whoever rewards evil for good, evil shall not depart from his house. 14. The beginning of strife is like breaching a dam, therefore stop contention before quarreling breaks out. 15. He who justifies the wicked, and he who condemns the righteous, both of them alike are an abomination to the Lord. 16. Why is there money in the hand of a fool to buy wisdom, since he has no understanding? 17. A friend loves at all times, and a brother is born for adversity. 18. A man void of understanding strikes hands, and becomes collateral in the presence of his neighbor. 19. He who loves disobedience loves strife. One who builds a high gate seeks destruction. 21. Who has a perverse heart doesn't find prosperity, and one who has a deceitful tongue falls into trouble. 21. He who becomes the father of a fool grieves. The father of a fool has no joy. 22. A cheerful heart makes good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones. 23. A wicked man receives a bribe in secret, to pervert the ways of justice. 24. Wisdom is before the face of one who has understanding, but the eyes of a fool wander to the ends of the earth. 25. A foolish son brings grief to his father, and bitterness to her who bore him. 26. Also to punish the righteous is not good, nor to flog officials for their integrity. 27. He who spares his words has knowledge. He who is even-tempered is a man of understanding. 28. Even a fool, when he keeps silent, is counted wise. When he shuts his lips, he is thought to be discerning. Chapter 18, verses 1 to 24. 1. A man who isolates himself pursues selfishness and defies all sound judgment. 2. A fool has no delight in understanding, but only in revealing his own opinion. 3. When wickedness comes, contempt also comes, and with shame comes disgrace. For the words of a man's mouth are like deep waters. The fountain of wisdom is like a flowing brook. 5. To be partial to the faces of the wicked is not good, nor to deprive the innocent of justice. 6. A fool's lips come into strife, and his mouth invites beatings. 7. A fool's mouth is his destruction, and his lips are a snare to his soul. 8. The words of a gossip are like dainty morsels. They go down into a person's innermost parts. 9. One who is slack in his work is brother to him who is a master of destruction. 10. The Lord's name is a strong tower. The righteous run to him and are safe. 11. The rich man's wealth is his strong city, like an unscalable wall in his own imagination. 12. Before destruction the heart of man is proud, but before honor is humility. 13. He who answers before he hears, that is folly and shame to him. 14. A man's spirit will sustain him in sickness, but a crushed spirit who can bear? 15. The heart of the discerning gets knowledge. The ear of the wise seeks knowledge. 16. A man's gift makes room for him and brings him before great men. 17. He who pleads his cause first seems right until another comes and questions him. 18. The lot settles disputes and keeps strong ones apart. 19. A brother offended is more difficult than a fortified city. Disputes are like the bars of a fortress. 20. A man's stomach is filled with the fruit of his mouth. With the harvest of his lips he is satisfied. 21. Death and life are in the power of the tongue. Those who love it will eat its fruit. 22. Whoever finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor of the Lord. 23. The poor plead for mercy, but the rich answer harshly. 24. A man of many companions may be ruined, but there is a friend who sticks closer than a brother. The Proverbs chapter 17 verses 1 to 28 and chapter 18 verses 1 to 24. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts. snacks, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.